Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Career Prep. In this video, we'll learn about the topic statement and argument. Statement and argument questions test your ability to think clearly and logically. Statement and argument is a very important subsection of logical reasoning which is asked in various government examinations. Argument is a very important part of analytical reasoning, as all possible types of questions from analytical reasoning like inference, assumptions, course of action, syllogism, etc. are in some way related to argumentation. This is the reason why arguments are called the backbone of analytical reasoning. Hence, it forms an integral part of the reasoning syllabus of many important competitive exams like SEBI Grade A, IBPS SO, IBPS PO, SSC, SBI PO, RBI Grade B, RRB, PFRDA, and many others. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon to get notifications as soon as we post a new video. So let's start. Let's now learn about the concept of statement and argument. So what is a statement? A statement is a group of words arranged to form a meaningful sentence that provides information. A statement is a set of information or facts related to a general subject such as politics, education, sports, and so on. A statement can be either true or false. What is an argument? An argument is an opposing or supporting fact given against a statement. In statement and argument type of questions, a statement concerned with an issue is given, followed by certain arguments in favor or against that statement. You have to identify the logically correct argument. Generally, both the arguments refer to the positive and negative results of the action mentioned in the given statement. You need to figure out if the arguments make sense and are strong, or if they are not well reasoned and are weak. Let's now learn about the types of arguments. Arguments can be of two types: strong argument and weak argument. So what are strong arguments? An argument is strong when it follows the exact theme as the statement given. An argument is called strong if it touches the practical and real aspect of the situation as described in the statement. It is backed up by reasons and facts related to the situation. A strong argument is logical, practical, and universally applicable. The most important part is that an argument should have a reason in it, and that reason should be relevant to the given situation. A strong argument will always have a why in it. What is a weak argument? An argument is called weak if it is not directly related to the given statement and it does not address all the points put forward in the given statement. A weak argument is of minor importance or may be related to a trivial aspect of the statement. A weak argument is illogical, impractical, and irrelevant. Also, extreme arguments and examples are weak arguments. These may not be directly related to the statement and the reasoning factor is weak. Such arguments can be opinion-based, ambiguous, or superfluous. A weak argument will not have a why in it. Let's learn more about strong arguments. Strong arguments are of various types. Established facts. In this type of strong argument, the given argument is an established fact and is usually true. An established fact is something that is known to have happened or to exist, especially something for which proof exists or about which there is information. For example, it's a well-established fact that heredity accounts for 5% to 10% of all breast cancer cases. The second type of strong argument is experiences predict that the result will follow. In this type of strong argument, the arguments are true because of the past experiences. The third type of strong argument is prevailing notion of truth. In this type of strong argument, the arguments are certainly true or universally accepted as true. Universal truth implies widely accepted facts which do not change over period, circumstance, location, and so on. These are the reality that are accepted without no doubt. For example, the sun rises in the east. The fourth type of strong argument is analyzed truth. Any argument based on decision taken by the government, Supreme Court, United Nations, constitutional body, or any other supreme authority is true. Here are a few things to remember regarding strong arguments. The following points should be taken into consideration while choosing a strong argument. A strong argument should give the realistic diagnosis of the situation described in the statement. A balanced argument is well matched and in proportion with the intensity of the issue given in the statement. A strong argument should give a deep analysis of the topic dealt with in the statement. An argument which relates with the statement and is supported by facts or established notions is strong. An argument which is based on an universal truth is always strong. An argument which is based on our previous experiences is always strong. An argument which is based on logic and common sense is always strong. Let's now learn about weak arguments. Weak arguments are of various types. Ambiguous argument, superfluous argument, question back argument are all weak arguments. Ambiguous argument. In this type of weak argument, the argument does not clarify how it is related to the course of action and what exactly the author wants to say. Therefore, such arguments are weak in nature. Superfluous argument. In this type of weak argument, the argument is superfluous and does not make an in-depth analysis of the given statement. Therefore, these arguments are weak in nature. Question back argument. In this type of weak argument, the argument consists of a question thrown back by the arguer. Here are a few things to remember regarding weak arguments. The following points should be taken into consideration while choosing a weak argument. Weak arguments are ambiguous in nature. Such arguments leave a vague and confused impression on our mind. In fact, it's not clear how such arguments are related to the given statement. Weak arguments are too simple, superfluous, and are half explained. Such arguments only give a glance at the theme given in the statement, but do not do a deep down analysis of it. Weak arguments are contrary to established facts. Weak arguments are those which contain the words only, definitely, the best, until, unless, will be, and so on. If the given argument is in the form of a question driven back by the arguer, then such an argument is a weak argument. Example or analogy based arguments are weak arguments. If someone did something in the past, it does not mean the same is pursuable. Let's look at the problem format of a typical statement and argument question. Now, in a statement and argument question, first you will be given directions to solve and then you will be given the question. Directions to solve. Each given question consists of a statement followed by two arguments numbered 1 and 2. You have to decide which of the arguments is a strong argument and which is a weak argument. Give answer as A if only argument 1 is strong. Give answer as B if only argument 2 is strong. Give answer C if either 1 or 2 is strong. Note that if both the arguments are strong but they contradict each other, then the choice either 1 or 2 is strong has to be selected. Give answer as D if neither 1 nor 2 is strong. Give answer as E if both 1 and 2 are strong. After the directions to solve, you will be given a question which you have to answer. Viewers, please go through this video till you have understood the concept. Answering questions on the topic statements and argument depends on identifying the strong and weak arguments. Strong arguments and weak arguments can be identified only if the concept is clear. So please understand and be thorough with the concept. For more clarity, please do watch our video Statement and Argument Solved Examples. If you have liked this video, please like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.